Hello Year 5 and welcome to our next remote learning lesson, and today we're going to be planning a set of instructions. On Monday, if you remember, we looked at the features of instructions. On Tuesday we followed a set of instructions and made those lovely scones. On yesterday, we looked at reviewing the instructions that we followed and whether things went well or not, and looked at those time connectives that are used for a set of instructions. So today we're going to be planning a set of instructions. We're going to be writing a set of instructions tomorrow, but today is just the plan. So what are we going to be writing our instructions on? Scones, okay, but not just the scones we looked at. On Tuesday we are going to be creating our own alternative scones, so our own alternative recipes. So have a think about what would be a really cool flavour to go into your scones. So here's just some ideas, just some things for you to be thinking about. You could have chili scones. You can see that first picture there, and this one has jalapeno chili peppers which are infused with the scone. I imagine them are truly delicious. And if you haven't got a spicy taste, how about the sweet ones? How about some chocolate scones? Making it with cocoa powder and mixing it with melted chocolate. They look delicious. Could even go for the white chocolate and raspberry, so maybe adding fruit to your scones. Wonder what they would taste like. And this one over here is some cheese and chives. So they could, well, I think personally the one I'd be going for would be the cheese and chives. I prefer the savoury to the sweet. But this is your plan, this is your ideas, so you can choose whichever you want. If you go for a different one, maybe go for a spicy curry scone, or maybe you could go for fruit and nuts. Maybe you decide. Right, sorry about the bleeping, I don't know what that was. Right, time connectives. Okay, you're going to need some time connectives, so use these like we talked about yesterday. Okay, these will be perfect inside your recipe. Okay, so you might want to pause the screen, write down a few that you might want to use. Okay, so your purple mash activity is this. You've got a template for a plan to make your own scone recipes. So you need to plan your ideas. So what your recipe is going to be for. Is it going to be for a chili scone or a cheese scone or a fruit and nut one? What ingredients you're going to need, the equipment you're going to need, a little description of your scone. So for example, this spicy chili scone will burn your taste buds. And then a set of numbered instructions that you could potentially use. Okay, remember, this is not a plan. Sorry, this is just a plan. This is not your big write. This is just to get some ideas down. So just brief bullet point notes will be absolutely perfect. Okay, you'll be writing this out tomorrow, and you will be creating your own alternative scones.